Welcome back to Quiet Town Tales, where we step into the quiet, overlooked corners of America, places that have seen change, conflict, and the slow return of stillness. Tonight, we visit a town that almost disappeared, then briefly became a symbol of resistance before fading back into the prairie silence it had known for so long. This is Leith, North Dakota. Population around 0 to 3. Leith sits in the wide, open plains of Grant County, a small cluster of weathered buildings, empty lots, and the soft wind moving across the grass. The town was founded in the early 1900s as a railroad stop, a place where farmers gathered, trains passed, and life moved at the pace of the seasons. For decades, Leith was quiet, unremarkable, the kind of small town that slowly emptied as young people moved away, as farms grew larger, as the world changed around it. Buildings stood empty, windows dark, the streets silent except for the occasional pickup truck passing through. Then, in the early 2010s, a stranger arrived, a man with extreme views, a white supremacist, bought property in Leith, quietly at first, then more openly. He spoke of turning the town into a headquarters for his beliefs, bringing others to live there, filling the empty houses with people who shared his ideology. The few remaining residents and neighbors in nearby towns saw what was happening. They did not shout or fight in the streets. Instead, they came together quietly, deliberately, to protect what little was left of Leith. They attended meetings, spoke to the media, supported local officials, and made it clear that hate had no place in their community. The attention grew, news stories spread, and the plan never took root. The man left, the properties remained empty, and Leith returned to its silence. Today, the town is nearly empty, a few buildings still standing, a cemetery with old headstones, and the prairie stretching on in every direction. No one lives there full-time, or only a very few, and the story of what almost happened has become a quiet footnote, a reminder that even in the smallest places, people can stand against division with calm determination and choose to keep their community peaceful. Leith is not a place of triumph or tragedy. It's a place of quiet endurance, a town that said no to hate, then let the wind and the grass take over once more. The buildings fade, the roads crack, and the silence returns, deeper than before. If you're ever driving the back roads of North Dakota, look for the sign to Leith. Pause for a moment, feel the vastness, and remember the town that chose to stay small and to stay kind. Thank you for listening to this gentle reflection. If these stories of America's hidden corners bring you calm, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll explore another overlooked place soon. Rest well, and good night from Quiet Town Tales.